Alright, so let's take a look at the beautiful Mavic Mini. If you guys buy the Fly Mode combo, you get this wonderful hard shell case, which I love the logo there, Mavic DJI. It's a really solid case, protects the drone very nice, also nice to travel with. Highly recommend this case. I know there's a lot of third-party case on the Amazon and all different websites you can get from, but this case here I'm personally a big fan of. Nothing says a drone than a beautiful Mavic Mini embroidered text on the case. So highly recommend the case. If you guys can afford it, with the DJI Mavic Mini, it's $100 more for the Fly Mode kit. But if it's not something you can get right now, you can get just the drone and later on get the case. So inside of the case, you'll see some of the fancy gadgets that comes with the drone. So here's the Mavic Mini drone. Fits nice inside the case. Okay, as you can see, it's really tucked in. I got these propeller guards that you put around, keeps the propeller from moving around. But on the bottom piece here, you guys can see the guard here actually moves around for the propeller, and I got an extra piece to put on to keep these propellers from flapping around. However, once you put it on, the big disadvantage is it doesn't fit in the case. It's about a millimeter too thick to allow it to fit in a case. So that being said, it's there. It's nice to move around, but I just keep the bottom piece off for now. The drone has a gimbal protector, as you guys can see right there. Protects the gimbal while it's in the case. And then you guys can see it's quite simple. Has a beautiful DJI logo on it there. It says right there on the side. You guys can see there. It's gonna show you a little bit on the bottom piece. These are the bottom sensors, power button. Obviously there's the landing lights or takeoff lights. And I have on the bottom piece here, I have this magnetic charger, which is really nice. I keep it on. Basically just take this here, stick it into the dome, and it charges the drone. And that's the micro USB micro SD card slot. There's the battery case holder. Basically I'm not gonna take it out, but the battery just goes right inside. One thing I do notice that when you are taking off the drone or landing a drone, it's really important that you have a landing pad or you have a clean surface to land or take off. These vents here, there's not much protection, so dust and particles can go easily inside the vent and can cause some internal damage. I'm just gonna open this out so you guys can see what it looks like when it's open out. So basically, start with the top. Obviously take the guard off, keep the propellers from moving around. So you take the first leg, top leg off, and then you just flip out the bottom pieces, just like that. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice little drone, small, lightweight. One thing I do want to highlight is on the side of the drone, you can see under the flight restriction, ultralight 249 grams. So that is so if anyone stops you, any authority, they'll know that it's under 250 grams. So really nice that DJI actually included that on the drone. We're gonna fold this back up, take a look at some of the other stuff inside the Fly Mode combo, and then you guys can decide if it's worth it. For me, it's worth it. I really just like it because of the case that comes with it, and also the extra batteries that comes with it. So I'm just gonna put this back here. One thing I don't like about these propellers is they're pretty light. It feels something like a paper. I've flown a couple times and you can see scratches on the propellers, and then you have to kind of tuck it in just to make sure it fits inside the case. It just flops around a lot. This is my first drone, so I'm not sure what it's like with the Mavic Air, but yeah, not a crazy fan about these lightweight propellers. Inside the Fly More combo, you'll get obviously the controller, and that really tucks right here. As you can see, there's a lot of space at the bottom of the controller. You can put other stuff in, like ND filters or different cables or any of the other stuff. There's about 2 inches of space at the bottom of the controller that you can fit other stuff in. The controller is pretty simple, compact, not a lot of controls on it. You'll find the power option, the return to home button. You'll find the photo button, record button, gimbal control, the antennas. Pretty much just pops up like this. So that's that. What I really like about the control is that it pops open, and when you fully open it, there's so much space on the control that one thing I'm waiting to order is iPad Mini. Tuck the iPad Mini right in there, and it gives you a lot more bigger space for you to see the flights while in session. But it is I mean, I'm not sure what you guys think, but it's a simple control. The cable that plugs into your phone is right here. Pretty basic. Just sits right there in a little crevice there. The control buttons stuck nicely inside here. Basically just screws in, allows you to control the drone and the directions of the drone. So pretty cool. I like it. Not sure what you guys think. I like that it's compact, and obviously it doesn't take up a lot of space inside your travel kit. Next thing we'll look at is the two-way charger. This, guys, I highly recommend. The reason being is this allows you to charge the control. It allows you to charge all the batteries, and it's an intelligent two-way charger, so it charges the battery with the lowest or requiring the most power. And you can also plug in your access of battery backup, so you can plug in your cell phone and it'll charge that also. So I highly recommend this. If you guys don't get it in the Fly Mode combo, please go out and purchase it. I think you will realize it's really useful to have everything charging at the same time versus having multiple cables requiring to charge a drone, and a cable requiring to charge the controller, and then another cable to charge your cell phone. So please consider that. If you don't get anything in the Fly Mode combo, get the two-way charging hub. That is, to me, is essential. Other things, you guys can see here, there's a lot of space inside of the case that you can put other stuff in. I have in mine, I have a cloth, clean the lens, another pen lens cloth cleaner, alcohol wipes. I have some accessories for my Osmo Pocket, which is like the USB-C accessory, the lightning charging accessory for my Osmo Pocket, an SD adapter, and here's another SD adapter. So just additional stuff that you may need. Just tuck it right there. You can put your propeller holders inside here. Not sure what you call these, propeller holders, propeller guards. You guys tell me what you think. I just call it propeller guards because it just keeps the propeller from flopping around, but obviously DJI has a propeller guard. that's designated for the propellers to allow you to fly without damaging the propellers. So I guess you can call propeller holders. So we'll put that on there, and yeah, so that's pretty much the most essential stuff you'll need in a package. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think. I'm a big fan of just this condensed, compact look that DJI offers, and obviously I really enjoy this package here. Please stay tuned. There's a bonus clip for you guys, so please stay tuned and you'll take a look at one of our really nice product. Is it essential? Is it not essential? You be the judge, but I like it. I'm a big fan of it. You can use it as many different options, so please stay tuned. You'll take a look at it. All right, so let's look at a accessory that many people are sort of on the fence with it. I like it. I use it as a decoration in my living room. Really a nice showpiece. And also the added advantage is that it charges the drone. So it is the DJI Dome. If you guys look at the ad for the promotional video for the Mavic Mini, you guys will see that it is showcased inside the promotional ad. Honestly, when I look at that, I fell in love with this here. I thought it's a really great piece to have a drone that is not only a hobby, but it's also a way to use as a decoration in your living room. So I like it. You guys be the judge of it. It is quite expensive. I think it's about $40 US. Took a long time to ship. Honestly, it took me about a month before I got it. It is available on the DJI store, I believe, but you can also buy it, I think, on Amazon. So what is the best part of this here? Obviously, it's in a dome, has a nice glass protector shell, which prevents it from getting dust, and it keeps the drone in this sort of beautiful, like, circular display. And on it you'll find a port here that provides power to the LED lights around it, and it's magnetic. Coming back to when I was showing you guys the drone, you can see there's the magnetic charging port right here, which this piece here you just keep that inside, and when you finish flying and let's say your other battery, you can pretty much take this magnetic charging port and set it on the base here, and while it's there, it actually charges the drone. This light is an indicator around it that tells you if it's fully charged. If it's not fully charged, it would actually give a pulsating look, so you'll see a slow pulsating light to indicate that it is charging the drone. The other piece to that is you actually, I don't know if I can turn this around, you will see on the back part of it, you'll see the light that tells you how much battery the drone has. So pretty cool. Yeah, so pretty cool. Don't know if everyone is on board with it. I love it. There's the power option there to keep the light on, take it off if it's annoying, but I just find it's just like a piece of it looks like it looks so fantastic with those lights. So highly recommend it if it's something you guys can afford. Is it essential? Not sure, because you could pretty much take the battery out, plug it in to the two-way charger hub. It charges the battery for the drone, and then tuck the drone away in the case. But it's another way of just, you know, bringing that drone out so people can see when they're walking at home. They can talk about it. You can talk about it in case you run out of conversations. Yeah, I think this is a social piece. What you guys think, just tell me in the comments. Here you put the dome on, and it allows you to it protects like dust and all that stuff from getting onto the drone, and just gives it a nice look. So I am a big fan. You guys tell me. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will do more videos about accessories for the DJI Mavic Mini. I am waiting to get my filters in. I bought some freewheel filters, so when that comes in I'll show you guys. My video in my channel here has some videos of the flights I've taken on the drone. Please take a look at it, like it, subscribe, and thank you for visiting my channel.